All right, I'm Steve. There's Steve right there. And what we have here is our 1993 Jayco 300 FK travel trailer. About 1993 it was built, or that's when it was sold, 1993. And the water pump went out last weekend. Noticed it on Monday, and it is now Saturday, and it has been replaced. Sure flow pump, which is what was in there. I decided, because this valve down here, the valve that was there would not shut 100%, and it leaked out, so eventually the tank would leak. You would run out of water. You'd have to refill it a lot sooner than if you were just using all the water. So I went to Menards today, got all the parts. I put the pump in last week. I put the pump in yesterday. Came on Amazon yesterday, put it in yesterday, wired it up, tested it, made sure it turned on, and it did. I've checked for leaks. There's no leaks. And we're now ready to winterize it. You can see right here that the pump is on. We'll go over here and turn on the water. And then you can hear the pump running. It's more powerful. A little bit more PSI. About 5 more PSI than the old pump. I think about almost a quarter of a gallon more per minute than what the old one did. So I think we're going to be happy with it. It's going to be some really good flow, and it's going to be really good pressure. It'll drain the tank faster, but at least we'll have good pressure now, and a good working hose. That big looping hose right there is for the to winterize it. Ooh, what happened? The light went off. Well, it's still bright enough. So here's the hose. Basically, you stick this hose into a jug of RV antifreeze. You put that in there. You open up this valve. You close this valve, because this comes from the water tank. You don't want to suck from the water tank. You want the suction to go through this tube, and then it sucks out of there. That goes through the pump, and it goes through the lines, and it comes out whatever faucet, whether it's in the bathroom, which is over there, or the kitchen, which is over there. Turn on the hose or the faucet, and when you have pink stuff coming out, then you're good. You let a little bit flow down to the into the drain, and then that's how you fill up the trap. Or you could just directly pour it down there. There's 2 ways to do it, and then your camper is winterized. So now that I've fixed the water tank, we're going to have freezing temperatures starting Tuesday. It's Sunday. It's Saturday afternoon. In about 2 days, it's going to go below freezing every night. So I'm glad I got this done. When I discovered the pump was bad, I basically took my air compressor, and in the old line, which I've already thrown out, I put the air compressor in there, and I just pumped air through there, and I flushed all the water out. But just to be safe, we're going to use the antifreeze and just make sure that the lines are 100% full of antifreeze, and we will not have any freezing problems that I would have to fix in the spring. All right, and we're out.